Hotel Ranis Grand. Ranis Grand is a business-class hotel located opposite to Coimbatore Railway Station and 11 kilometers from airport. They have 30 rooms with 3 category, standard, deluxe and studio rooms. Every room is equipped with free Wi-Fi, LED TV, 24 hours hot water, centralized AC and many more facilities. They provide 24 hours check-in check-out time and room service around the clock. Hotel I Stay. Hotel I Stay is a great choice for travelers looking for a 3-star budget hotel in Coimbatore just opposite to railway station. This hotel stands out as one of the highly recommended hotel in Coimbatore. Rooms are well maintained, provided with 32-inch TV, AC, free Wi-Fi, hot water, etc. Their I-Dine restaurant serves delicious South Indian dishes. Hotel Legends Inn. Just opposite to Coimbatore Railway Station, Legends Inn offers accommodation with a restaurant, free private parking, and a bar. The accommodation provides a 24-hour front desk and room service for guests. All rooms are neat and tidy, equipped with basic modern amenities. Their friendly staffs do their best to make their guests stay comfortable. Hotel Thaai. The close proximity to Coimbatore Railway Station makes this hotel very popular for decades. The friendly staff, neat ambience, clean rooms all makes this hotel as travelers' choice. They have a vegetarian restaurant which serves delicious South Indian food. They have enough parking space too. Vinayaka By Poppys. Vinayaka By Poppys, Coimbatore offers 65 rooms with modern facilities and air conditioning, as well as self-catering options such as tea and coffee making facilities. The rooms, bed sheets, surroundings are kept neat and clean in the crowded area. The restaurant is daily open for breakfast. This Coimbatore hotel invites guests to have a drink at a lounge bar. Hotel Annamalai. This hotel is located close to the railway station, making it a convenient place for travel. The staff is friendly and supportive, providing guidance to guests. Hotel rooms are well maintained and equipped with basic amenities. There are many veg and non-veg restaurants nearby.